All right, so this is when you click the link, this is the new page where you're going to fill all your details. You can see your name, you put in your name, okay? So I'm just going to put in my name, all right? And you put in your email, okay? Make sure you have access to this email. You put in your phone number, I'm going to put mine, all right? And you put in your username, and I'm going to do that. Now you select your country. I'm not in the United States, I'm in Nigeria. You pick your country. Wow, this is a very awesome and well coordinated platform. Okay, select account type. Okay, what is the account type? Is it the investment account type? Is it the trading or mining account type? Okay, we are going with the trading account type. Okay, with the trading account type, then you set your password. That is just it. You agree to all the times and you register. All right, so once you log into your account, I'm going to show you the entire interface. This is the new account I just created, and right here you can see this account currently zero balance, nothing at all on this account. This is the home section. Okay, if you want to trade on this platform and make profit, you can click on the new investment, okay, as you can see, and this at this point you will be able to trade. Now I'll come to this later once I fund this account, but first let's talk about the overview. Okay, what you can see, I've just shown you the overview. Next is the referrals. You're going to see your referrals. Okay, I'll show you where to get your referral link. Next is the KYC. Okay, it's not important, it's not relevant, but you can do that. Okay, now the next section is the investment section, where you can trade on this platform. I'll be showing you how to trade on this platform. Okay, then we have the deposit section, okay, where you'll be able to deposit, okay, so that you can start trading. Now the withdrawal section, this is one of the most important parts and where I love so much. You can see the payment option on this platform. Okay, this platform offers different payment methods. Okay, you can see different payment method. Bet 20 USDT on Binance Trust Wallet. They can transfer to maybe your USDT and your USD wallet, Cash App, PayPal, Skrill. That is just awesome about this platform. Then your profile here, you can see your referral link, like you can see the referral link of this account. Then you can also put in your withdrawal wallet. Okay, you can put in your withdrawal wallet. Okay, you can also put in your withdrawal pin. Okay, if you want to put in a withdrawal pin that you'll be able to use even if someone access your account, okay, only you would know that. You put in your withdrawal pin. Let me say I want to use 27089. Okay, then you just hit on the update and it will be saved. All right, so I will be making more videos on how to go about the deposit, okay, the trading and the withdrawal. These are the three most important parts I am going to talk about in the next video. All right, so in this video, I'll show you how to deposit into FinSmart and how to start trading. So I'm just going to hit on the deposit button, okay? Once I hit on that deposit button, I'm going to click on new deposit. All right, now I'm going to fund this with my Trust Wallet, okay? I'm going to fund this with my Trust Wallet, and I'll fund this with $50, okay? I'll fund this with $50 and I'll hit on continue. All right, now this address has been generated. Okay, you can see send $50 to the Trust Wallet. Okay, you can see it right here. I'm going to copy this right now. Okay, I've copied this right now, and then I'm going to minimize to my Trust Wallet account. Okay, I'm going to minimize to my Trust Wallet account. So I'm going to fund now $50 on this address. Okay, $50. Okay, so here on my Trust Wallet, as you can see, I've pasted it. All right, I'm about to transact it now. I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, so I'm just going to screenshot this once it's successful. Okay, I'm going to screenshot this once it's successful. Okay, I think this should be successful right now. All right, I'm going to screenshot this. Okay, I have this screenshotted. Save. Then I'll head back to my Fins wallet. All right, I'm going to choose file, pick the screenshot of submit. That is just it. Okay. All right, so you can see the deposit was successful. So I'll just go to overview and see if my deposit is on my account. All right, so let's see if our deposit is going to reflect. So you can clearly see how professional the platform is. Okay, if you make your deposit, all you just need to do is to be patient, make sure everything is correct. You screenshot and you send to them, and you can see right here this confirmation has been made. Okay, you can see they've sent me an email that I've deposited $50. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh my balance, and right there you can see the $50 there in my account. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is how to trade. Now you click on the investment. Okay, you click on new investment. All right, we're going to be spending time learning this. Okay, I'm just going to invest a little amount of money to just show you how this works. Okay, so you can see this is my balance. We are trading with the BTC price right here. You can see it's moving right here, and you can trade on different time intervals from 5 minutes to over 30 minutes. Okay, that means if you trade on 5 minutes, you just have to wait for 5 minutes to see if you made profit. If you trade for 10 minutes, you just have to wait to see for after 10 minutes whether you're going to make profit or not. All right, and so on and so forth. Now you can either go with even or odd portfolio. Okay, you can either go with even or odd portfolio when you trade on this platform. So let's say I want to trade on even. Okay, I want to trade on even, and I'm trading $10. As you can see, I'll be making $20 in return. I'll be making $20 in return. That is double my trade. So I'm just going to hit on invest right now. Okay, so you can see now my balance has been deducted successfully. $10 has been deducted. So all I need to do now is go over, go over to the investment again. All right, now you're going to see my trading here. You're going to see everything here. Okay, so we just have to wait and see if we're going to make profit, all right, in the next 5 minutes. That's by 16:05, which you can clearly see right here. By 15:05, we traded at 16:00. We're going to see our profit by 16:05, and if we make profit from this trade, okay, we traded on even. As you can see, this was the portfolio, all right, and we'll just wait for that timer to get to that point. All right, what we just need to do is still go over to the this point, okay, so that we can monitor the result. Okay, we can monitor the result, or we could just check back later and see if we made profit. So after this video, I'll be showing you, after we make profit, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your money to your whatever wallet you choose to. All right, guys, so you can see this is the trade. This was the trade, that same trade on this new account, and right here you can see we earned a profit of 1x what we traded, because the result came on even, as you can clearly see, and we made profit. Okay, so let's just go over to our overview and see what our new balance is. Okay, so now you can see our new account balance is $60. I deposited $10, and you can see our profit of $10. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a withdrawal. Okay, I'm going to make a withdrawal to my USDT wallet. Okay, I'm going to make a withdrawal to my USDT wallet. Now take note, you can make withdrawals to any of these. Okay, whether transfer, okay, you can see here you can make via transfer. Okay, but you need a withdrawal pin. I showed you how to get that withdrawal pin. I'll be making more detailed video on all these things, but right now, okay, available balance $60. Okay, but right now I'm going to be using Trust Wallet. Okay, so you can clearly see I've placed the withdrawal of $30, and my balance is now $30. Okay, so once you create an account on this platform, okay, the withdrawal pin is 00040. Okay, you can change this to whatever you want. If you want to leave it that way, you can leave it this way, but make sure no one has access to your FinSmart account. If not, they would be able to withdraw money to their wallet. So make sure you can withdraw to any wallet you want to withdraw to. Okay, you don't need to have your own wallet. You can use a vendor's wallet. Maybe you might tell a vendor or a exchanger to send you his wallet, and you just paste his wallet here. Okay, just like I pasted mine. Put the amount you want, then you put in your PIN and you proceed, and your deposit will be sent. All right, so like I also said, you can use other withdrawal methods like I showed you right here. You can try them out. I would also try them out and give you guys a feedback on them. So this is all about the platform. We're going to be hosting lives where we trade together so that we can make profit on this platform and make more money on this platform. So make sure to stay tuned. So all right, as you can see, the money I withdrawed from FinSmart just came in. Okay, $30. You all saw the withdrawal I made, but for doubters, let's just go over to my account. If you don't know, within the process of making this video on this new account, I traded again. Look at it. I traded again, and if you watch it, I have made over 50. I deposited over $50. But what I currently have right now with my withdrawal, the withdrawal of $30 and this $50, that's over $80 I have made on this. So I've made a profit of $50, as you can rightly see on the platform. Okay, so I traded again and I made profit. If we go over to the investment, these are very easy way to make money. I'll be showing you all the strategy. One thing I love about this platform is you're going to be making 100% profit from this platform. Look at it, it's there. Okay, so everything is here. You just need to watch the video, and whenever we have our night trades, you're going to get to understand this platform better.